All right. Well, I got my AI bot updated. My assistant. Is it an AI bot? I guess it is. I have 3 computers doing this, and here's the flow. On the Raspberry Pi, it captures my audio when I use the wake word. It sends that to the middle computer, which is running a 4 gig NVIDIA 1050 card. And that is running the Piper model, you could call it. So it sends the recording of my voice of what I'm asking over to the middle one. Whisper, which is an app on that server, transcribes the audio and returns text, sends that text back to the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi then sends that to my main Ollama server with an RTX, much better GPU in it. The Ollama server reads the text of the question, sends text back to the Raspberry Pi, the response. The Raspberry Pi sends it to the middle PC where it generates speech, sends that back as a WAV file to the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi plays it. So a little complicated, but it works really nice, and we'll give it a try here. I also have this web UI. Tells me right now it's waiting for the wake word. I just finished asking it, how are you doing? It's showing me the history of the chats. I was asking it about apples and the history of apples. So we'll start it by saying, hey Jarvis, and we'll try to wake it up. Hey Jarvis. We also have weather. Hey Jarvis. Tell me the weather.
Currently in Anaheim, haze, 76 degrees, feels like 75, high 76, low 76.
And we get this nice screen of the current weather and the next 3 days forecast. That'll go away after a few seconds. And it stops listening when I do weather. So we have to ask it the wake word again. Hey Jarvis. And it takes a little while. We don't want it. There it goes. Hey Jarvis, tell me about St. Bernard dogs and how they were bred.
Said, Bernard dogs were bred in the Swiss Alps by monks to rescue people from avalanches, emphasizing strength, endurance, and a keen sense of smell. They have a thick coat and are known for their calm, loyal temper.
And this is a little cheesy speaking diagram, but it's working well. Hey Jarvis, thanks a lot. I think we're done for now.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I have to wait for it to finish because if I don't, it'll cut me off in the middle of a question. Sometimes I think and I have delays where I'm trying to think of what I want to ask next. So I have it on 10 seconds. So I might shorten that down to about 5 seconds. And then it'll go back into waiting mode. And then I also have this button over here. Where is it on the screen? It's the mute button. And I can go over there and mute it. And now Jarvis won't listen. Where is he? And it's saying muted. And then if I unmute, it's now listening. So it's a nice little system, fun. And, why not? Have a great day.